So let's take a look and see if the IMVU Studio Toolkit for Blender works in Blender 4.0 or the 4.0 series. So of course first we need to go to create.imvu.com, enter, and then we can scroll down the page. So this is the Creator Education Center, or we find all the tutorials and information about creating on IMVU. Scroll down, we want extra, more, click, and there we have at the top IMVU Studio Toolkit. So click on that. We want downloads. Scroll down the page, there's the one for Blender, so we'll download, so click. That'll download the zip file. There's a zip file in our downloads. So in Blender, we might have to do two steps with this. So first we just want to install the toolkit. So edit, preferences. We'll get the preferences dialog and we want add-ons. Click on install. Downloads. There's the toolkit. Click on the zip file. Install add-on. So this is going to expose the .py file. That's the Python file. That's the script itself. We can install this because what we'll do, select, install add-on. That will install, and then what we can do again, once it's done it, so there's our toolkit. We need to expand the information about the toolkit, and we want to pay attention to this file path. So what the toolkit has done is installed the Python file, and it's essentially created this directory structure for us into which the toolkit should go. So the zip file itself. So we need to open Finder and look for this path. So in the Finder we need to browse to that file path. So user, catch bits in this case, library. If this folder is not visible, we need to option click, show view options, and then enable show library folder. Once we have that, we can then browse through. So library, application support, Blender 4.0, scripts, add-ons, and there is the py file. What we need to do is drop in the zip file contents here. So we need to open another instance of Finder, new Finder window, downloads, IMVU Studio Toolkit. This is the contents of the zip file. We want to keep these intact, so we're just going to drop the entire file. So select, option click, copy, option click, paste item. What we should find now is that if we close Blender, don't save, restart, we should have the toolkit. So view, sidebar, we need to enable that, so edit, Preferences, Add-ons, type IMVU, there is the toolkit. So again, that's the file path. We just click the checkbox, and there is the toolkit in the sidebar, which we can now use. So let's drop in the clothing tool. There's the avatar. We've got access to all the options. It's a bit fiddly to set up the toolkit for macOS, but that's basically what we need to do. So again, we just install the script, make a note of this file path with the py once we've installed the script. We just copy the zip file, the toolkit zip file, into that location, add-ons, so we can see the full file path in the footer. Once we've done that, we've got full access to the toolkit.